Let's continue our discussion of control of GFR. So we just did the 2 ways of renal autoregulation. Now we'll look at your sympathetic control. Okay, so your sympathetic nervous system is particularly involved when you want to drop GFR. So let's say you're exercising and or you're scared, it helps to divert blood from kidneys to go elsewhere. And so what happens here is when the sympathetic division is activated, it leads to, it vasoconstricts the afferent arteriole, which then leads automatically to a drop in GFR. And it can really drop it dramatically, okay? Because it's able to really clamp down on the incoming blood vessels or arterioles into the glomerulus to allow for the blood to go elsewhere versus being pushed to the kidneys at that moment. Then the hormonal way. So you have the sympathetic way, then you also have the hormonal control, also done by the kidneys, where in this case, this is useful when you have low blood pressure. So step 1, low blood pressure, which leads to low GFR. All right, so low blood pressure, meaning low GFR, will trigger, so step 1, will trigger your juxtaglomerular cells, trigger your JG cells, those same cells that wrap around the afferent arteriole, JG cells, to release an enzyme really called renin, or renin. Okay, that's step 2. Then renin will convert an enzyme in its inactive form. So renin converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. So that's step 3. Then angiotensin 1 will float around in the blood, and then once it gets into your kidneys and the small intestine here, lungs and kidneys, step 4, an enzyme called ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme in the lungs or kidneys, converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, which is the active form. And then step 5, angiotensin 2 causes vasoconstriction of the efferent arteriole, not the incoming, but now the outgoing arteriole. That's step 5. And that leads to an increase in GFR. Okay. The reason is this. Just so you can see it. So remember, so this is your incoming afferent arteriole. It's bigger here, and so here. So when this system makes it smaller like this, narrows it, that means the blood can't leave as quickly, and so it's kind of pushed back in. So you have more pressure inside to push things, filter things more so. This is how your renin system works, by shutting down the outgoing vessel so the blood stays longer inside here, and the filtration of it increases. All right, we'll pause there.